In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and install add-ons in Google Slides. This process can be a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their workflow, productivity, or creativity when working with slides. Whether you're creating presentations for work, school, or personal projects, Google Slides offers a vast array of add-ons that can expand the tool's capabilities and efficiency to meet your specific needs. To get started, open up Google Slides and locate the Extensions menu at the top of the interface. Now, for those of you using an older version, it might be labeled as Add-ons, but don't worry, it functions the same way. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select Add-ons or Get Add-ons, depending on your version. Doing this will open up a window known as the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is your gateway to a myriad of tools that can be seamlessly integrated into your Google Slides experience. Once the marketplace is open, you'll see that it offers two main ways to explore add-ons. On one hand, there's a handy search bar where you can look up specific add-ons if you already know what you need. On the other hand, if you're in the mood to explore, you can browse through various categories depending on what kind of functionality you're looking to boost. Take your time here. There's a lot you can discover that might add value to your presentations. When you've found an add-on that seems interesting, click on it. This will open a detailed view that provides valuable information like its rating, how many users have already installed it, and the permissions it requires to operate effectively. Evaluating these details helps ensure you're making informed choices about which tools to bring into your workspace. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click Install, or a similar button, that appears on the add-ons page. Google will guide you through the next steps with prompts. It might ask you to select your Google account and review the permissions one more time. Make sure to read through them so you're comfortable with what the add-on can access. Then, click Allow to give the necessary permissions. After the installation process is complete, you may need to reload your Google Slides file. This step is crucial as it refreshes the interface and ensures that everything is set up appropriately. Once reloaded, you will find the newly installed add-on under the Extensions menu. Depending on the add-on, it might also appear in the right side panel of your workspace, ready for you to use. And there you have it, your quick guide to enhancing your Google Slides experience with add-ons. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.